Hi, loves. Iman here. Today I'm talking about the voice, the throat chakra, how I lost my voice in school and how I eventually took it back. Wasn't like they stole my voice, so I wasn't able to speak. They shamed it out of me with scores, rates, red pens, raised eyebrows, judgment. I thought I was learning, but I was actually being erased what I already knew. I was forgetting. When I think about how it happened, it wasn't something violent. I picture a classroom, a neat desk, right answer, a teacher correcting the way I spoke, the way I sat, even the rhythm of my breath. Between the ages 7 and 12, perhaps even from before, I learned that expression came with consequences. Speaking up made me weird. Saying the wrong thing made me wrong. So I got really good at silence or saying things that don't mean my truth. I wasn't muted, I was edited, polished, praised for performance, rewarded for saying what was expected. But inside, things sacred crawled inward. A part of me didn't want to speak if she couldn't speak the truth. Later, even as an adult, I'd feel that my throat tightens in moments of truth, like now. I'd second guess my words or blurt them out too fast. You've probably seen it on my videos. Or over explain, try to keep everyone safe, justify myself. My voice wasn't too much or not enough. It just never felt like it was mine. The throat chakra is the bridge between the inner knowing and the outer reality. And when it's blocked, we don't just lose our voice, we lose our timing, our rhythm, our power to name what matters. In somatic experiencing trauma, we understand that trauma often creates overcoupling patterns where telling the truth gets fused with danger or visibility gets fused with punishment. So we suppress, we even speak in ways that protect us, not express us. There are also undercouplings here, when the voice disconnects entirely from sensation, truth, or presence. We say the words, but they don't land. We smile through the freeze. We nod when we mean no. I love the work of Barbara Brennan. She wrote that when this chakra is blocked, we feel stifled, frustrated, and creatively barren. We lose the energetic current that flows from our core star, the divine self within us that was never traumatized. I call it our essence. And vagus nerve, our body's social and vocal regulator, links the truth with the heart. And when the voice is stifled, belonging and pleasure suffer too. So if school or society taught you to shrink your voice, it wasn't harmless, it was systemic. It wasn't your fault. So here's a tool that I really love. It's a simple somatic tool I learned from one of my favorite teachers, and it's really about finding this voice in humming. It comes from pranayama, from yoga. There's so many benefits about it. I won't get into details here, but humming is a wonderful medicine. So that's simple. Just doing the ujjayi breath or humming, which is like you fogging up a mirror with your mouth closed. You breathe out on your throat, or you make a sound of it. Otherwise, just think my truth is safe with me and go, mm. If your voice has felt shaky, lost, too loud, too quiet, or not yours, this is your return. In the voice module of Elemental, we explore what it means to speak with the body, not just the mouth. And what is our song, our original song? You reclaim this vibrational medicine that lives in your throat. Remember that every silence carried wisdom, and every word you didn't say still lives in you. You may want to take the quiz, the integration map, and discover your dominant pattern. And if it's the voice, try this exercise of humming, share this with someone else's. Try the Ujjayi breath, and you can do it anytime. It's a tool for you. Simply let the air go through your throat. It's not even audible. You can literally access it anywhere you want. Or if you do want the audible, just when you're in a space for it, just hum. Mm. And allow your vagus nerve to reset with it. So thank you so much for listening. With love and resonance, I'm closing this video today. Bye.